Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. So there's a new Asian restaurant. It's a street food restaurant around industrial area. They asked me to pay them a visit and also review their food. So this is our first restaurant review. Come with me. My date today is my brother. Say hello.
Hello.
So we will see you when we get there.
Hello, you're welcome to WOK BOYZ. Here we serve the Pan-Asian street food. We have appetizers, we have soups, we have the wok where you get to taste your own meal in 5 steps, and then we also have the signature street food as well.
So guys, we are at WOK BOYZ and we're about to review their food. So check the menu out and see what we choose. Rather behind the camera right there. So guys, they have this part where you can customize your own meal. So it's been numbered 1 to 5 and then you customize your own meal. But they have their signature street food here. For that one, when you choose, like, you get a full meal. But with this, you get to customize your own meal. How cool is that? Their prices are pretty cool.
First food, the new one.
So I tried prawn, the tempura or whatever the name is, and it's really good. The sauce is awesome.
The cost.
So Chris is about to try his chicken wings. Spicy Korean fried wings.
It's really spicy and nice. It's nice.
Honestly, we're not even exaggerating. The prawns was so good. I'm here to try the spicy wings and see how it is. So about to. The spice is not something that I can't handle. It's really good. I love it, so you can try it as well. So what I ordered is their, I think it's one of their signature, and they said it's their best seller here. And I think it's chili prawn hakka noodles. Hakka noodles. I chose the chili prawns. And yes, they are best seller.
Well, it was okay. I enjoyed the spicy chicken. Is it chicken wings?
Yeah.
Yeah, I enjoyed the spicy chicken wings. The noodles is also okay. Just the rice that I kind of picked up and I know that I couldn't enjoy, but it's all good. It's all good. You know.
My name is David, yeah, and this is my first time at WOK BOYZ, and I can see that the customer service is very great. I love that. And I think the time, she gave us 15 minutes for the preparation of the food. And I think the food came in a bit earlier than that, so I think that is a plus for me. So I'm yet to try it out, though, but it looks very good, like, smells good too, so yeah.
Overall, I ordered prawns and I really loved it. I also ordered some noodles and it was really good. My brother ordered something he wasn't familiar with, so he couldn't eat his food. But overall, customer service was on point. I'll give it a 10 over 10. The food was on point. I'll give it a 10 over 10. And also, it took like the food came early actually. Some restaurants would wait forever for your food to come, but some restaurants they'll tell you 15 minutes and you sit for hours and the food is not cold. But with this, the food came on time, so I really enjoyed myself. You can check out WOK BOYZ. They are located at industrial area just beside Melcom Glass. They are just beside Melcom. So if you know Melcom industrial area, definitely need to check them out. The newest, freshest Asian restaurant in town. Asian street food. WOK BOYZ. Guys, I'm home now and I realized that I was so excited. I forgot to shoot an outro. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I mean, what are you doing? Subscription is totally free, okay? Subscribe, hit the subscription button, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever we post new videos. Also, like, comment if you love content like this. If you enjoyed watching today's video, just leave a comment. And if you've also tried WOK BOYZ Asian Street Restaurant, you also leave a comment and let us know your experience in the comment section with your friends and family, okay? Thank you so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.